Hello, my name is Mark Claypool. Thanks for tuning in. This is a video intro to my Lightboard blog. You might say, what's a Lightboard? A Lightboard lets you do something like this. You might say, what? How does that happen? That happens through a setup like this, where you take a piece of glass, you mount it on the frame depicted in the middle of that picture, and then you put that glass in between, in this case, Prof, and the webcam on the other side. And so when you write on it, the writing that goes to the glass is picked up by the webcam. And the webcam picks it up because the glass is lit underneath, pushing light up, and it pops through the letters. Okay, so I think they're pretty cool. So I built a do-it-yourself Lightboard and I blogged about it. You can read about it if you think that's pretty cool too. You might try it yourself. But what I also do for my lectures is not just write, but I also use PowerPoint pretty heavily. So in this case, there's graphics here. So I had to figure out how to actually add PowerPoint to my lectures so I could incorporate the PowerPoint plus the Lightboard writing sort of when I'm teaching. So the blog details that. So I think that's kind of cool too. Most Lightboard material online seems to be about pre-recording videos, which is great for like a flipped classroom where you pre-record the content and then students can watch it and you can have interactive class during the class session. In my case, I wanted to do the interactive lectures live. So I had to figure out how to do PowerPoint plus Lightboard plus Zoom. And so my blog details how to set that up. So doing live lectures by Zoom. So that's kind of cool. In addition, when you're doing this, if you're looking at Zoom, you want to be able to look at the students and not, if you can, look to the side, but look straight ahead. So the other cool thing I figured out was how to actually set up a monitor on the other side of the glass. And you need to avoid the reflections and set it up right. So I actually can look at myself in the material as if I'm looking towards the camera. So that's also detailed in the blog. So pretty cool. So cool stuff you'll find there. If any of this interests you, you can Google me, Mark Claypool. There's you go to my MISC page and then you'll find the Lightboard blog. You can find it there. Okay, thanks for tuning in. See ya.